Okay, so we had discussed getting a Ethereum node set up, and so then we can play with Solidity and Ink and Solang and see what happens with all that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to get the code. So there are three simple commands to just get the easiest way to get it down if you don't want to build it yourself. Now it's written in a language called Go, which I'm gonna have to look into a little bit. I have not used Go, but this is a typical apt-get command. This command here, sudo apt-get repository. This tells it where the repository is, where to find the application. And then you run the sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install ethereum. You can also do the development version. This is for Ubuntu, and they have instructions on Windows and on other Linux. If you're using or if you're using Docker, if you're using Arch Linux. But I did this. Now the next step, once you have it, is this is called geth. Go Ethereum, I think is what it stands for. So I'm going to see if we can get this to work. Now, I may change it a little because my temp drive is on a little small, so I'm going to make a temp drive or temp2 drive is what I think I'm going to do and see if that works. Under home 2, I'm going to make a temp drive. So, and now what I'm going to do, and we'll see if this works, we're going to have to copy this and paste it, but we want to change this to home 2. Because that's where we're putting it. And we're gonna go here and so let's see if this works. No guarantee. Oh, did I miss something? Let me. Yeah, I did. I missed the G in geth. Let's see. Is it? Okay. No, so it doesn't, it's not going to make the directory. And let's see what happens. And see if that'll work now. And we wait. Oh, yep, it looks like it started. So you can do admin node info encode. And let's see what we got here. And you can see and let's see. So let's try this. I'm going to bring up Adam so I can save this. And because what I think, what we got here is, we can grab the encoder out, because if you notice down here it says if you want to connect to this instance. So let's see what happens. I'm going to copy this because we're going to need it. Let's see what it says. So this is the URL, copy, and Adam is taking its time. Well, we may not need it. Let's try to do this. Oh. So let's, let's see. I'm going to bring up another, actually, what I should do is see if I can bring up new tab, okay. So we could take this command here. Adam decided to come up in multiple places. It's running very slow tonight. I'm not quite sure why, but let's go back here and we can take this command and put it in this tab, but we're going to change the 1 to a 2. Whoop. We're going to change the 1 to a 2. Because it's going to get unhappy if we don't. So, oh, we need to give it, of course, another different port as well. So we're going to give it, change this 1 to a 2. There we go. It like that. And then we're going to try this. Admin.add peer. And we're going to, whoop, that's not what we wanted to do. There we go. We're going to try that again. Let's go back here and copy what we need to. This URL. Go back here, and I'm hoping you're seeing this. Actually, let's see if this, there. Now you can see it better. And we're going to do admin.add peer. And hopefully I got that. And it says true. So what is it supposed to say? Uh, oh, now we're seeing the wrong thing again. Let's see. We're seeing the smart contract. So let's get the right thing here. Here we go. No? Didn't. For some reason it's not switching. Let me shut that. Let's kill these. I'm going to kill the other browsers so that it hopefully will go to the one I want. So that you can see it, because you cannot see it. There we go. Let's see. Can you see it? Yes. All right. So, it says true, and let's move this up. See. And it says see, encode. Let me see. So we started our second node. I'm trying to see where we are here. We did the add peer, and now we're going to do the net listening. Net dot listening. And that's true. Net dot peer count. Well, isn't that interesting? Why it says 8. So let's see. I wonder if I really connected to something. I shouldn't have, because this is supposed to be, that is a private address. That is a private address. That is a, well, this is very interesting. So maybe so you can see, we're seeing what's going on here. And so this is a start, and I have a pretty tight weekend, but I'm going to try to get some more done on this. And then again, the whole idea, maybe a little compare and contrast between Ethereum and Substrate, and see the difference between Solidity and Ink and how Solang fits in, and get a whole, I think that's the direction that we're going to be going. And hopefully you'll find that interesting. Of course, feel free to comment if you want, if you think there'd be a better plan in terms of what you'd like to see. But anyway, that's going to be all for right now. And if you found this helpful, please give a like. If you want to see more, then subscribe and ring the bell. And I will see you next time.